everyone, welcome to my channel, Free Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie and here this week piece. I got this dresser on the side of the wood and I really like this shape of the dresser. With some hardware. The doors is solid wood, but the front drawers looks like is sparkly wood. The doors works very well. It's a good brand. On these drawers has some water damage or something happened on here. You can see just on the top one. The bottom one is okay, and on this the same way, the same thing. The top is in a really good shape. The side is in a good shape too. This is bamboo. The back is in a good shape. It's from 1986. It's a vintage dresser. We have one more up here. Let's go to start on this baby. First I'm taking off the hardware like I usually do, and I'm going to put on the side drawers new hardware, maybe pulls. To do a good cleaning with the craft cutter inside and outside, and after this rinsing with cleaning water. I'm going to use a brush and a rug. I was glue out the camera. All this for now expand no more. And now I'm going to use Bondo for this narrow nicks and make nice and straight. This time to primer, I'm going to use Zinsser Shellac primer. Because this top is too shiny, I need my paint and grab it on this. I'm going to use my roller and the sheet brush. for watching my video. I hope the guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye guys.